Hi friends, welcome to IQ Hub. Today I have come with a bunch of functions. They are not same but similar. Before that, I would request all of you guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that all the new videos can go into our inbox easily. And please hit the like button and share your feedback in the comment box. Today I have come with topics like count, count a, count blank, count if, count ifs. These functions are similar but not the same. All these functions are going to count the number. I mean, not count the number, they are going to give the result of count. So now we will see how it works. We will see the first function count equal to COUN count. Now I am going to count this column. So enter. Now it is coming as 30. Second, I am going to write this function count A. Again I am going to count this column, enter. Now 1 is coming 30, 1 is coming 31. Now we will see why it is coming as 31 and why other one is coming as 30. If you see here, can anybody say what is the difference, why it is coming as 30 and why it is coming as 31? Now the difference is count always counts the number, it counts only the numeric values, but whereas count A counts all the cells that is having something, whether it is numeric or not non-numeric. Now for count it is counting these numbers, whereas this count A is counting this number also, this number row is also it is counting. Now to cross check, I will just type here some letters, then it will increase the count of, it will increase this number from 31 to 32, whereas count number is still same. So this is how count A works. Now we will go to the next function count blank. As the name suggests, it counts all the blank cells inside the selected series. Now we will say equal to count blank. Now we will select this. Now we will select this and enter. Now we are having 3 blank cells, it counts the blank cells. If I delete something, it will increase the number. Now if you notice, this count number also decreased because I deleted a number, and count A also decreased because we have deleted something, and this count blank cell has increased. Now we will go to the third function, that is called count if. That is called count if. Count if is basically it counts something with if it meets one of the conditions. One conditions. We give conditions to count something. Now we will see. Now if I say, let's say count if now I want to count this where x is there. Now see, now wherever x is there, it is going to count. Now we will just filter it out with x, whether it is correct or not we will see. So we see there are only 6x, so it is giving us number 6. Now we will see what is count ifs. Count ifs basically for at the time of count if we are giving one condition, whereas for count ifs we can give multiple conditions. Let us see how it works. Count ifs, count ifs. Now I want to count in this column wherever x is there, and in this column wherever 1 is there. Now see, when I count only x, it gives me 6, whereas I give two conditions, means from B column I give condition x and in A column I give condition 1, it gives me only 2. Let us see whether it is correct or not. Now if I filter with x for this column, then we have 6, but if we filter the second column, it gives us only 2 times 1. Now sorry, it is not 2 times 1, 1 is there many times, but x and 1 are there only for twice. See, now we filtered with x, we filtered with 1, so it happens, this combination happens only twice, so it is giving us 2. Now to cross verify, somewhere we will change, if we will change this to x, and again see, once I change it to x, count if also increased, and if again I will change this to 1, so this count ifs also changed. So this is how count ifs works. So today we learned what is count A, what is count blank, what is count if, what is count ifs. The basic difference between count and count A is count counts only numerical values, count A counts all the cells that is having something, and count blank counts only blank cells. Count if counts with a condition, count ifs count with a multiple condition. That's all for today. Stay happy, help others, and signing off. This is Chittaranjan.